So we're going to see what's in this bin, see what sweet potatoes we have, and if God has been good and blessed us with anything. Okay, you want to go ahead and dump it? We're going to take the bin and just dump it on this here. Just a little bit at a time. Let's see if we have anything. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see if I can dig down in here. You want to hold this? Okay, let's see if I can dig down in here. Oh, look at there. Zone 8. This is my second time trying to grow sweet potatoes, and the first I got nothing. And these are from slips that I started from household sweet potatoes. We're gonna lay those right there. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, a few tubers, not looking bad. Not looking bad. Okay. Oh, look at that. I think we'll be growing these again. This is like the best Christmas present. This is the day after Thanksgiving. So instead of Black Friday shopping, I'm out here with my husband. And we are getting a surprise of our own. Let's see. Got anything else in here? Got a lot of little tubers, a lot of little ones, and a couple big ones. I would say this is good from not getting anything last year at all. And this is in a 18-gallon bucket. Probably would have got a heck of a lot more had I put them in something larger. So when I plant again, I will just plant in a larger bucket, a larger container, so that I can get a little bit more larger, you know, more yield, if you will. Let's see. I'm gonna go all the way down because I'm getting down to my arms. We're gonna be back and I'm going to dump some of this dirt out and see if there's anything any further down, and we'll be back. See if we got anything in here. Looks like that might be something. We dumped some of the dirt out, and we're just gonna see if there's something else in here. Oh. Wah, wah, wah. I think that might be it. Never let anybody tell you what you can't grow. I am in zone 8 and we have oranges. Never let anybody tell you the limit that God will do in your life.